is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, these are quick and easy shop fillers. You can add a bow to them, you can add some greenery to them, and call it a day. So what I did was I just chose some ribbons. I don't measure my loops, but I do eyeballs. So I want to make sure that my loops aren't too big. So I'm just going to make a tail, pinch, make a loop, pinch, twist, make another loop, pinch, and twist. Now if you do have the Easy Bow Maker, you can definitely use that. That's about right. That's exactly where I want that. So this is the only ribbon I'm going to use that has only 2 loops in it. Okay? Next, I'm going to just choose my leopard print ribbon. And making a tail, pinching, making a loop, pinch, and twist. Okay. Next, I'm going to get the 1.5 inch Swiss dot, and now I'm just reversing that and doing a tail, pinch, loop, pinch, and twist, and make my tail. So it's going to be like a funky bow. So this is the only one we're going to have 2 of the same color with. Next, I'm going to do this pretty red. Make a tail, pinch. Yeah, I actually thought about doing a wreath with them, but I was like, I want to do the door hangers instead. Making a tail, pinch, loop, pinch, and twist. What's up, y'all? Getting my zip tie. And cinching that completely shut. But before I do it all the way, I am gonna fluff out my tails and my loops to make sure that they're all good to go. And then I'm just gonna run my zip tie around that grapevine base on that. Okay? So then I'm just going to zip tie that right on there. I'll fluff those out. So just dovetailing my ribbons. So I think this is actually a really good filler for your shop. Not only your shop, but also, you know, after the holidays, everyone's always looking for that door hanger or wreath, but they don't want something way too big. Y'all, look how cute this is. And you're still able to see the 2 hearts. And all I added was a bow. So, and I still kept the door hanger on there, so that's perfect. And I just zip tied that around that grapevine base. Ran the zip tie through it.